How to remove the discount code field from your checkout on Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So I can't really show you exactly how it's actually going to look like because I can't really access the checkout from this store specifically, but basically it's, when you go to checkout, it's going to be a field where people will be able to enter the discount code and obviously get a discount for it. We can feel free to remove it. So I'm just going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to remove it. So all you need to do is very simple. You will need to either deactivate all codes that you have or just simply delete them. In that case, this is not going to show up for customers when they actually go to checkout. So it's going to be completely gone. Now, to remove or deactivate codes, it's very simple. You just want to head on over to your Shopify admin dashboard, as you can see, and then you just need to go to discounts right down here, just above the online store. Click on discounts, and then you should find yourself in this page. Now, in this page, you may find plenty of discount codes that you have created before, and if you see any active with the method code, then in that case, the discount code field is going to be available at checkout. But if all of them are deactivated or removed, in that case, it's not going to show up. So we can feel free to just click on status for this one. And actually, no, we wanted to make it unavailable or inactive. So we just want to click on it and click on deactivate from the top right here. Click on deactivate. Click on deactivate one more time, and it should be discount deactivated, and it should say expired. So just go back, search for any discount that has the method code, and deactivate it from there. So if you go to discounts and see something like this, where you will find under method, code, automatic, code. In this case, the only two that you need to remove are the ones that says code. The automatic one is not going to show the discount field. It's not going to matter if you have it active or inactive. So just make sure you have these two, the code ones as inactive. So just go ahead and click on them, deactivate, remove this one, and just go ahead and also do the same thing for this one. Or you can simply delete them. Either way, it's actually going to work. And now once you find yourself in a discount page that does not have the method code and it is active, you can just feel free to go back to checkout and see for yourself that the field for discounts is pretty much gone. Now, it may take a little bit of time for it to load. You may actually go to checkout and still see it. Just give it about 10 minutes just to be sure. And it should actually be gone for you, and it's not going to be there any longer. And if you want to revert it back and get it back again, then you guessed it, you just want to go ahead and create a discount code and make sure it is active, and then in that case, it's actually going to be available again. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.